Welcome guys. Today we are going to solve a very interesting interview question. Not in oranges. This question is also available in Kicks for Kicks, and it's a very famous question. So let's solve it. We're given an m cross m grid where each cell can have one of these three values, like 0 representing an empty cell, 1 representing a fresh orange, and 2 representing a rotten orange. Every minute, any fresh orange that is 4 directionally adjacent to a rotten orange become rotten, and we have to return the minimum number of minutes that must elapse until no cell has a fresh orange. If this is impossible, we have to return -1. Okay. Let's see the example. 211, 110, and 01. I am writing it here to see it. We can see the, so that we can see this in grid format. Okay. So how will approach this question? Like, first there is a rotten in the 00 cell, and in the next minute the adjacent of these two, the 01 and the 10, that will become rotten, and in the next minute the adjacent of these two and these two become rotten, so this will become 2 and this will become 2, and in the next minute it is the adjacent of these two, like there is no adjacent for the upper two, but there is adjacent for these two, so adjacent of these two, like this one will become rotten, and in the next minute the last one become rotten. So this, in this way we have to calculate the minute. So we can see that if we use BFS, we can easily solve this question. So let's implement BFS. We will use C++ to solve this question. So let's implement it. First, I am taking the number of rows and number of columns for this grid. We will implement BFS using queue. So first define a queue. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the adjacent for the rotten oranges. So first we have to check how many rotten oranges are there, and we will push their coordinates to this queue. So check how. So for that we have to run a for loop n square, and we can whenever we find a rotten orange, we push the coordinate into the queue. Now we use our implement our BFS. So in this queue we are taking all the indices of the rotten oranges, and now we are using this loop to every time we will check the adjacent of the cell that is present in the queue. Now we have to calculate the adjacent. For this we'll take one element from the queue and we have to check the adjacent of this element. Further we will run a for loop. Okay, first we have to create a vector to check the adjacent. Like in this vector we are storing the indices of the of one of any cell, like how much they can move, like they can go up one indices and low and left and right. So we are storing the values here, and next we'll use a for loop to get the indices. So what I'm doing, like suppose there is a queue, 0 0 index in that queue, and storing it in the queue. And for this we are checking what we are doing in this for loop. We are checking all the indices, like for R and C, the adjacent cell. So for 1 0 we are checking 0 0 to 0 0 and to 1 0, like we are checking the cell 1 0 1 0. If there is a grid, if there is a fresh orange, then what we'll do, so it, like if grid RC there is present a fresh orange, what we'll check, we'll push that indices into the queue. And like 0 1, for 0 1 it will check that 0 1 says, and minus 1 0, also there is no minus 1, so we have to check the coordinate case, like r must be greater than equal to 0, less than okay, checking the button. Another case, we have to take a visited array. Like suppose we are calculating uh, it's already checking a value for this 0 0, like we are checking 1 0, and next time we found a Rodin origin 1 1, and next time we don't have to check 0 1. Okay, so for that we have to take a visited array, like I'm taking a vector of n cross m. Okay, and if this is not visited, then we'll push it, otherwise we don't need to push RC. Now अच्छा, we are not calculating our answer. So for each while loop, मतलब for each minute means the end of each while loop. So after that we'll do answer plus plus, so that we're increasing the time actually. So in this way we will get the answer, I think. Let's return answer and see what happened. Yes, we have implemented PFS in correct way. Let's check it. That's so easy. Let's run it. Alright. Oh, I make a very big mistake. Like we have to check the indices before we doing this. The output is 5 and we are expecting 4. Why this is happening? Okay, yeah, I get it. Whenever we calculate, when we calculate the last index, like the last one we get a rotten orange that become a rotten, but when we enter the loop and we didn't find any fresh orange, and after that we doing insert plus plus, that's why you getting this. So let's start count with minus 1. I think we'll get it. Okay, we get the correct answer. Check for another test case. 0. Let's do this one. Let's check all the test cases before submitting. Oh, we get a wrong answer. Why we get a wrong answer? 004. We're not getting minus 1. Why we're not getting minus 1? Okay, in this case, I think we are missing one case. Like, okay, when 211, 011 and 101. 211. Study the test cases so that we can debug our code. The adjacent of this, like this and this, will become rotten, and the next this and this will become rotten. So we get 2 and get 3 seconds. Okay, we can see that this fresh orange is totally isolated, so it will never become rotten. So what we have to do, let's count the total fresh orange and let's count the total fresh orange. And if at the end all fresh become rotten, then we will return our answer. You can put fresh orange. So we'll return our answer only and only if fresh get all the fresh we don't have any fresh orange in the bit. Otherwise we'll return minus 1. Yeah, we get all the correct answer. Let's submit the code. Wrong answer is getting on. We can miss another edge cases, like if this is 0. First write it in the beginning so that we don't have any problem. And So did some mistake with xc to m. Yeah, it's accepted. So in this way you can implement VFS in question. There are similar questions like number of islands and similar question wolves and cats. Yeah, you can try it on your own. So all the best.